Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse and I'm here with Spellbinders September release. All sorts of goodies from your elegant cards, playful cards, some new embossing folders, some new products too, yay, even a new Platinum 6 die cutting machine. Towards the end of this particular video, I'll give you a little overview of what makes the new Platinum 6 different, what makes it new and improved, okay? You're going to see a series of videos about this new release because I'm breaking everything down. But right now, let's get started with playful. Ooh, puppy and kitty cuteness. I love this. Alrighty, let's get started. This is one die set. You can either make a puppy or a kitty, and you can make them in this frame. Let me show you the die. This release is called the Holiday Cheer Enclosed release. So you have your little cutie patootie here enclosed. So cute. And I will put links to the entire collection, to all the collections in this release. It's not as big as July and August, okay? So you can take your time and just go through each. Yes, you can still go back to the other videos and look at what was released in July and August, because Christmas in July this year from Spellbinders was hello. It's still good. It's not even it was good. It's still good. And August too. This one is called Special Pet Delivery. 15 dies. And what you do is you put together the little puppy or the kitty. As you can see, I turned both of mine into girls. So you have the option. I have my little Tori. I'm going to pop a picture here of Tori. That's supposed to be Tori. I know the colorway is a little off. I didn't want to do black and white. I knew I wanted pink because I do have Tori in all her pink goodness. I do have an outdoor cat. So this is Tori here and this is Pretty Kitty. I had a theme from Real Animals Around the House. Okay. This is the dog's face. That's the cat's face. You do get the little eye piece right here. That's the ears for the cat. This, the arms, but they go together very easy. This right here, that's the ears for the dog, ears for the cat. The little bow, I use the bow here. There's a little Santa hat right there. This little piece right here, that's for this part, the collar. So with this die, you can see that there's a little bit of pop-up action happening because the body is lower and then the head can go higher. Here I have the head more popped up here, more tucking. And the examples you'll see, most of them the head is turned straight. I kind of like to play with my die cut to give an expression to the die. Expression to the whatever I'm making, whether it's gingerbread or cute little critters here. I tilted the head on this one and tilted. Some examples you're going to see it straight, okay? This is just a slight tilt. I wanted to show more straight, but I still did the tilt, and more of a, oh, that's Tori. She looks at me like that all the time anyway. What are you saying, huh? Here is the body for both. Here, that's the little banner. You can choose to use it or not. You can do this also without having the frame. Let's go into card number 1. And this, It's Not a Pony, comes from this die set. It's Not a Pony word die set, 16 pieces. So you get It's Not a Pony, It's Not a Puppy, Kitty, and then you also get For You. Adorable card, isn't it? Just so sweet. So here I'm using the Tufted 3D embossing folder. It's a oversized embossing folder. Still loving every single oversized embossing folder from Spellbinders. You guys just knocked it out the park with these oversized folders. Love. And this was not sent to me from Spellbinders. The puppy here and all of this stuff was sent to me to play with and make these adorable cards. In the background, I used an awesome large die of the month. This is a pass kit, so this can only be purchased from Spellbinders. It is the mini Slimline envelope and nested card creator, and I was supposed to make the envelope, you know. Oops. I am going to give this to my mother. She'll get a kick out of seeing Tori like this. And this is from July 2021. Only can be purchased at Spellbinders. That's what I used to create this beautiful stitched detail, which I think works well. Dash and dot with the tufted. And it's this one right here, the outer die, okay? Super cute. And you get this inner piece that says happy birthday. You get some flowers. The frame was take cardstock. I taped these two together with Spellbinders yellow tape. Ran it through the die cut machine to cut a bunch of frames. This is about, see how many there are? About 4 cardstock, and then Spellbinders brush gold cardstock. I had showed you guys this the other day. Oh, I told you I was going to be using it. Look how pretty that brush gold is. Oh, love, love. So here's a sheet of the Spellbinders brushed gold cardstock. You get 10 sheets. It is double-sided. This is perfect for all your bow making or any projects that we can see the underside of. Isn't that lovely? That's what I used here. Now, it's still in stock at Spellbinders, but I think it's sold out at a few other places, okay? I use it for the frame. I use it here in the sentiment. It's not a pony. So cute. This is just all layering up and playing with your die cuts. And I pieced in here for the eyes and the nose, black glossy cardstock from, I believe is Tonic Studio. I will put a link for that as well. It's just good to have at least 1 pack of that black glossy cardstock, especially for eyes, Halloween. Perfect for Halloween, for everything. At this point, you're using a little square. So just get 1 pack and just always have it for even just your eyes and your nose. Look at that. So cute. This is now working with gold and pinks. It's a cute, playful card, but doesn't it have a certain elegance to it, or is it just me? I think it's the tufted, it's the gold. I tell you, this brush gold, she is good. She's the gift that keeps on giving. I wanted to add a little something, so then I pulled out, and I know you guys don't see this from me regularly, but Spellbinders pink gems. Look at this. So cute. I'm getting another pack because I was just having too much fun with these pink gems. I only have 1 pack. Definitely used it here and on Pretty Kitty. And this is on a 110-pound cardstock base, 3x6 card, okay? Just cute, fun, playful. I think the recipient, my mother, she'll be tickled by this. She loves a shaker, but she'll be tickled just by this. She's like, oh, that's Tori. Yes, it is Tori. Moving on. Oh, special pet delivery. This just brings joy. It's just a fun die set. Love the little sentiments too. Both of them don't have a bad price point either. Card number 2. Let's talk about that background. Oh, this is a new 2D embossing folder from Spellbinders, new this month. Designed by, I watch your channel, so I think you say Joka? Joka. So she worked with them to create this beautiful Ski Lodge embossing folder. So let's bring Ski Lodge, again, another oversized embossing folder, meaning 8.5 inch tall, 5.5 inch wide. These embossing folders are really good for all sorts of card sizes. That's the beauty of an oversized embossing folder. You can make regular slimline. You can do mini slimline, 5x7, A2, square cards, but definitely 5x7 cards. And 5x7 cards, I've noticed on a few videos, I've been seeing everybody commenting that they're really becoming super popular. I like them because at this size, you really get to enjoy the embossing folder and still the image. If you notice, a lot of my Spellbinders projects are 5x7. It's just I enjoy the background. I just don't want to lose it. I really do enjoy this size. So here is the detail on this embossing folder, Ski Lodge. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? Technically, probably should have been this way. Yeah, I just noticed that's a heart. That doesn't bother me. Yeah, that's a heart. Did you notice it? I'm enjoying all this texture. And this is a 2D. This is not a 3D embossing folder. Look how it cut. Take a mister, like your water bottle like this, and just a light spritz from a distance. Then run it through your die cut machine. Wow, look at this. Ski Lodge. Love, 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 love this embossing folder. This is every Christmas this one can come out. There's so much you could do with this. It's elegant and also at the same time fun and playful because you can gauge it different ways. I love that. So this little embossing folder, Ski Lodge, has a lot of options. Great basis for cards. Just love, love, love. Now back to Pretty Kitty. And on both of them, I didn't even talk about it. I did do ink blending for them. For the dog, this is Basil Almond Cream cardstock, and then blended with some tea dye ink, a little bit of vintage photo, and some walnut stain. This is all distress inks, not oxide inks, okay? Over here now, Pretty Kitty. She is, I don't believe she is almond cream. I think I started off a lighter color, not white, but lighter. And this is Rusty Hinge because she's like that orange cat. And then this now is just cardstock. So you don't have to ink blend the whole thing. I just ink blended the back body and then put cardstock, but a kind of a deep orange cardstock. Cute. And again, I did pop in the eyes. Both of them I did a hello in shimmer cardstock. And this little box right here, surprise box. This was all the way back in their birthday celebration month, which was June. You guys have seen me make this box a few different ways with those wonderful balloons, which I also used to get the string. So let me show you that. Fabulous set. The color box balloons. That's the string. That's what I used here in just black cardstock. These are my male-themed birthday cards that I did back in June with the surprise box flat, with some paper in it, folded in 3D. Here I did it with Pretty Kitty. Folded in 3D, stuck some paper, and it just comes together so easy. Difference this time, I did think about decorating the box like I did here with either stripes or polka dots, but I wanted to play with this stamp set. And the new stamp set, which is an add-on, there is an older one for the birthday box. That one, I had to wait to get it. It sold out a few times. The new one is called Santa Paws Sentiments. Right below it, I will put birthday option. And then there, I'll put the birthday version in case you were always wanting this set because it's just adorable. So here on this one now, I can put the Holly Jolly, Santa Mail. You can interchange them for here, but I think it's so cute when you personalize the side of the box. This is my first time doing it, and I am loving it. I did do black heat embossing just to give it a little pop. Oh, spoiler alert, it's cold. That's funny. That's funny. Just to add fun to this surprise box, this whole thing, so comprehensive. You can use this over and over and over and over again, and it creates an interactive fun element on your cards because look at that. It just pops out at you. You can play with the paper. Some of these are standard sentiments. A little gift for you. That's whether you're using the cat, the dog, or not. Sending cozy Christmas wishes. You could do that here. You could also use it for coffee, tea. If you're full of Christmas cheer. That's standard. Dear Santa, define good. All of these are actually more than just pets. That's great. Another Christmas, another box of socks. Oh, that's funny. So this is the new version. The older version is this one. So these two are sisters. Birthday unboxing sentiments. So I can mix and match this side up here. Best gift ever here. So it could be Santa Mail. Best gift ever. Handle with care. You see how they work together? This was a hard sellout for a long time. I will put a link if I see it in stock. But don't be surprised. And I have a lot of family and friends who are later on in the year birthday, October, November, December, all grounded with this beautiful embossing folder. Love this embossing folder. Can't get enough of this embossing folder. Again, I use the pink gems here. Cute. And I'm done. Oh, I did want to talk real quick. Didn't I say I was going to talk real quick about the new Spellbinders Platinum 6? Because available right now, there is a new and improved Spellbinders Platinum 6. I don't have it. This is my oldie, but she is definitely a goodie. Spellbinders Platinum 6 die cut machine. Also, the Platinum 2 is being revamped as well. And the Platinum is the wider one. I think has a 9-inch wide opening. I don't have it. This is what the original Spellbinders Platinum 6 comes with. The platform, 2 cutting plates, etc. But now, to cut the 3D embossing folders, the new Spellbinders Platinum 6 will have a different color, and I'm going to put a picture here when I'm talking about it. See this color? This is more like a rose gold. I think their new one, because I can tell by the picture, it's not this deeper color. I think it's more of a true platinum color. Same beautiful machine though. Both of them are really pretty. What makes it different? The new and improved one, it's a little bit wider, and it comes with the universal plate system standard. That's what it comes with. Why this plate system is also nice. These are all the layers it comes with too. And it comes with an embossing mat. Shims. But here, as you can see, I did cut a slimline die, and I cut one, and then I never used it again. I hate messing up a brand new cutting plate. It's a bad habit, but I was like, oh, my pretty plate is not pretty anymore. So now this will be your standard cutting system with the new and improved Spellbinders Platinum 6. Okay? I had to purchase this separate. And when it first came out, I got it. I knew I wanted something for my Spellbinders Platinum 6 to be able to handle slimline size projects and also these, knock on wood, 3D embossing folders. Be careful of trying to work this thing with your machine. Either one, it won't work, or two, do your sandwich incorrectly and then your machine, if you mess up your machine, there's no warranty for it, okay? You're going to have to buy a replacement. New and improved Spellbinders Platinum 6 is available now. But if you've been wanting a Spellbinders Platinum 6 and you're like, oh my goodness, my budget can't take it, this existing one is still there. She may end up dropping in price if she has been on your wish list. But if you need it now, some of us want it right this moment, go ahead and get it because she is pretty. Also, I saw there is a collaboration between Spellbinders and scrapbook.com. Look at this beauty. It's a black machine. So if you love your colors, I like this type of color. I do like pretty crafting. I like pretty crafting supplies. So for me, the Spellbinders Platinum 6 machine is just a beautiful, gorgeous machine. Hands down, very pretty. Whether you're using the one I have now, the standard, or the brand new and improved. Both of them look very pretty. But this black one, if you love a black die cut machine and you're like, well, I want to get the new and improved, wish it came this colorway, there you go with some pink cutting plates. The pink cutting plates are actually being sold now, so I will put a link for the pink cutting plates. I'll put a link for the new and improved machine. The black one, though, it says November. So estimated time of delivery, November. But that can only be purchased at scrapbook.com. Just letting you know the information. Don't have to do anything. Or if you're wanting to, now you have somewhere to plan and save and put your focus. Alrighty, crafters. I just wanted to tell you about all the new Platinum 6 goodies and also show you 3D embossing folder, brand new 2D embossing folder. Both of them fabulous. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. And the Spellbinders Platinum 6, whether you have the one I have right now, the existing one, or the new and improved, they do a great job on their embossing folders. Look at the excitement. Look at all that texture. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Bye!